To enable or disable the silent mode on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we need to proceed to sounds and vibration, and here at the top we can of course choose the mute mode, and if you want to turn it off you can switch to the sound option. If you choose mute, then over here we can also toggle temporary mute, so you can decide after what time the phone should unmute itself and go back to the sound mode. So we have a couple of options. And besides that, the mute mode can be activated and deactivated by going to the control center or quick settings. Over here in this place where we have the slider for media volume level, on the right side we have this speaker. If it's grayed out and crossed out, then it means that the silent mode is active, and of course we can keep tapping in order to switch between all of these different modes that we also see in the sound settings at the top of the settings. So here we have the sound mode, then we have the vibrate mode, and then there is this silent mode. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.